Guys, a couple of updates about what has been happening. So, Voodoo.com is launched. We have fundraisers on there using Code Wallet. We're still waiting for Android and on ramp, and it's starting to get really annoying because I have a Mexican YouTube influencer. She has 60,000 subscribers, and she's ready to come onto Voodoo.com and post her stuff, which would open up the Spanish market, the Mexican market a little bit. And we're just waiting. But Voodoo.com is running. We have the clubs running. And I'm a little bit tired because I didn't sleep so well. And yeah, so crowdfunding is working, is running. It's running smooth so far. Did some fixes, and of course there's a lot of work ahead in terms of like getting it really nice UI UX and improving it all the time until it starts to really stick. And there's still a lot of features that I want to build in, like direct messages, paid for direct messages, that I want to build in. So there's a couple of things that still need to be done. The clubs need to be improved in a lot of ways. And but my main concern right now with Voodoo.com is improving the ranking. The ranking for um, the Google ranking. So when you say open a club about XYZ, that it ranks very well in YouTube, in Google. That's one of my priorities because that's super important. So I've been releasing PRs, public press releases. I've launched kinpress.org, which is now in Google Publishing. I also put the WordPress plugin that I programmed into the KinPress. And this is something that I didn't know. If you are within Google Publishing, then the content that you post is indexed within a few minutes. So you post something now, and within 10 to 20 minutes, it's indexed within Google. And then they decide whether the algorithm decides whether it's like newsworthy or not. But in general, it gets at least into the normal search very quickly. So very exciting stuff. It's another form of control over the narrative as we progress, because as people start to use Code Wallet in different ways, we'll start to release press releases, and with KinPress we'll just have more control instead of paying somebody else to write, for us things, or publish things. So Voodoo.com is not the only project that I'm going to launch, but I want it to work very well, and I want to be kind of like the base. What is my concept with Voodoo.com? It's more like a professional concept in the sense like LinkedIn. I do want people to earn money with Code Wallet and share value, and have it feel like a LinkedIn that you literally earn on, because right now on LinkedIn you don't earn. All the money goes to LinkedIn. I mean, LinkedIn makes a lot of money. So instead of me keeping the money for Voodoo.com, I'm actually just gonna give the money to the users. And once people understand that, it's gonna explode. I'm giving away, for example, if somebody started a blog about Voodoo.com or about the campaigns, the fundraising campaigns, they can, and use their affiliate link, they can earn a shitloads of money. It all works automatically. Just go check it out, Voodoo.com. I'm, like I said, I'm a bit tired, so I don't want to go extremely into detail. We'll do that next time. Yeah, about the thing with the Telegram group, it's pretty much done now. It's just that I'm not gonna enter it anymore. It doesn't make any sense because we just don't get along, and I'm not the guy who should be in the limelight, in the sense like I shouldn't have too many people access to me, because I'm more like the creative crazy guy who likes to just release stuff, work on stuff. I shouldn't be the one who is in a community trying to promote it. It just doesn't fit. and it's just not. Yeah. This, whatever. That's how it is. And uh, anything else? Yeah, we're just waiting for the Android all the time. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Now they're saying that Kato, which is the on-ramp partner, is doing optimizations before they launch. But then I saw Brandon also doing a couple of tiny changes, very tiny changes, to the checkout with Kato. And they're probably gonna push that one more time. So I don't think we're gonna see it this month. I think we're gonna have to wait a little bit more because it's already Friday and people fucking only work 5 work days. They don't work like me 7 days. So, yeah, I feel like they just should fucking push it out. Even if it doesn't have on-ramp yet, I think they should just push it out and have people use it. So, Android, yeah, whatever. My personal opinion is that they should have launched Android a long time ago and they should have never pulled it from the app stores when it originally was there. And I have to hold off on a lot of stuff because the Android is not out. Of course, we need the on-ramp because without on-ramp it doesn't make much sense. Because if I onboard now the Mexican influencer and 5,000 people come in, if there's no on-ramp, what are they gonna use to buy the stuff? So it's really the basics needs it. I'm so tired. Anything else that I want to share with you? So we got the Kin Press, we got the Voodoo, waiting for the Android, and that's it for now. I have another project which I'm not gonna announce, but that's gonna blow even the idea of Voodoo out of the water. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be super viral. It's gonna be fast. It's just without Android, it doesn't make any sense. Like sometimes I feel even working on Voodoo doesn't make any sense until we really have Android with on-ramp. There seem to be still some tiny bugs when checking out. Like today, I showed this Mexican influencer how to click on sending something to um, as a donation, and I opened the app. Or it wanted me to open the app. If I clicked the button, and nothing happened. It's just the app opened, but there was nothing to pay. It was really weird. So there's still bugs in some ways. It's not super smooth a lot of times, but still a very good app. And okay, let's just leave it at that. I'll just let you know when we have more stuff. But I do. We have crowd mentoring club. We have blog market club, which is crowd mentoring is. Oh, in the clubs when you post, you have 2 options. You can lock your article with a preview text, and then people pay for it to unlock it. And then we have ad rewards, which is like, let's say you have an issue that you want solved, and then you're like, I offer €2 or $5 for somebody to do this or that, and you offer that as a reward in your post. And as people see that, they can respond, being motivated by the potential reward. So that's also in the clubs. Very exciting. And actually I should make a separate page which just shows all of the offers that are out there. I think that's a very good idea. Maybe that I'll do just now.